Hello guys, today I'm having Githeri and I'm going to use fresh beans from the farm. Means this is not dry beans, they are fresh. So the first thing I do, I wash my beans and then I'm going to put it to boil for at least 15 minutes before I introduce my maize. I'll put maize, also my maize is fresh and green peas, and I'm going to mix my githeri with mbuzi too. So I'm going to wash my mbuzi and then I'm going to cut it into cubes and put it to boil too. At this point my maize is my beans is ready, so I'm going to introduce my maize and my green peas, and yeah, it has boiled to my satisfaction. You can see the beans, the maize and the green peas, they are all cooked. My meat has boiled too at this point, so it's time to start cooking my githeri. I'll put cooking oil in a hot casserole. Then I'm going to add some onion and garlic, mix it well, and then I'll add my meat. And I'm going to mix this well before I introduce my tomatoes. Mix it well with green bell pepper. And then after this, I will be putting some tomato paste, mix this well, and then I will introduce some Royco cubes or any seasoning cubes that you're using. And then I'm going to put some paprika, mix this well, and then carrots. And then after this, I will now put my githeri. Yes, I'll mix this well, and then I'm going to add a little bit of dhufu to my githeri. Of course, I don't want to eat it dry, so I'll add a little bit of dhufu, and then I will add some coriander to it. Let it cook until the soup looks a little bit thick, and then I'm going to serve my githeri. It's ready. It really tastes good.